Welcome to PreciousMetalsInvesting.com. My name is Ted Sudol, and I have the pleasure of having as my guest today Paul Majanovic. Paul is not only the author of Precious Metals Investing for Dummies, but he has also authored Stock Investing for Dummies. Welcome, Paul.
Yeah, good to be back. And since we're talking about a stock market moment, we've had a little bit of a clinic, and I think that that in recent months the gold and silver and the metals have firmed. So it does it all for a buying opportunity. And I think that in the gold mining, the metals mining sector, I think there's some good opportunities here. Now, many people take a look at small cap stocks; they want to get some growth. So generally speaking, when say a stock goes, some gold or silver goes up 10%, some of these small cap stocks have the potential of going up a couple 100%. Believe it or not, when they're speculating and they're drilling, but for those of you out there, especially when you're worried about a lot of things, probably the best place to look at is the major mining companies. I mean, you'll know some of them. I don't want to mention any for now. But in many cases right now, if in recent months there's been consolidation and a lot of the stocks have firmed up, it's probably not a bad idea, especially if you're an income investor, take a look at some of the large cap mining stocks that are out there. Some of them are sporting dividends that are 4 or 5% even higher. And just to give you a clue about what you should be looking at is that whenever you're looking at the stocks, looking through your favorite stock screening tool or you go to some financial websites which gives you a snapshot of them, take a look at the earnings per share of the company and the dividends per share. So, for example, if you see that the earnings per share is $1, okay, and the let's say the dividends per share is, say, 30 cents, let's just say. In this case, the dividend is 30% of the net profit. Now, in this case, because the dividends are less than 60%, that's generally safe. You want to make sure that whatever dividends, especially if you're an income investor, if you're having money come in and you want to be able to do well with dividends, it's always good to make sure that there's enough cash flow and enough net income happening with the company that they have a strong enough cushion of revenue coming in that they can be able to afford both today's dividend and tomorrow's dividend so that you're more assured for what's going on. So remember, if you're looking to do income investing and you want to play it safe in the metals mining sector, look for the large cap stocks that they have a dividend and make sure the dividend is less than 60%, in terms of a dividend per share, that it's less than 60% of the earnings per share, of that particular company. So you have a margin of safety, have some dividends coming in while you're waiting for the next rally to unfold in the middle sector.
Exactly. And do your own research, but make sure that you consult your own financial advisor to make sure that this investment is appropriate for you and your needs.
Yeah, maybe down the road we'll get a chance to be more specific and have an educational program in this venue, so stay tuned. Look forward to seeing you and talking more about this stuff and a lot more with PreciousMetalsInvesting.com.
Well, Paul, thanks a lot for being with us today at PreciousMetalsInvesting.com. Make sure you take a look at Paul's book, Stock Investing for Dummies.
Exactly. What better venue to see me in a tie? See you down the road.
Thank you.